KSY Siring Pump. Official tutorial. Unboxing. Open the box and remove the product and accessories. Syringe installation. First, loosen the two screws on the rotary valve. Align the top of the glass syringe with the bottom of the rotary valve and tighten. Loosen the piston retaining nut. Push the ball screw with a screwdriver to align the syringe screw with the recess. Tighten the piston retaining nut. Finally, tighten the rotary valve screw. Syringe installation is complete. Tubing installation. Teflon tubing is first put on the inverted cone fitting, then put on the OD compression ring. Note that the small end goes inward. Press firmly. Then connect to the water inlet of the rotary valve. Tighten the inverted cone fitting. Do the same on the other side. Tubing connection is complete. Terminal control. Plug in the DB15 adapter board at the external communication interface. Select the desired function by wire sequence. Connect the power supply. Send commands from the computer terminal to run. Thanks for watching.